Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. This is the next part of the lecture. So here one of the person told that zoology department basically have the information, but the lava department basically are into creation of land basically. That means the ideas, the energies which human is going to use, each and every human basically, that they are generating. But here one person asked the question basically, until physical things does not exist basically, the creation basically land department basically, that is the land creation department, they never do that. So one person told that yes, that is 100% correct. So here one person asked the question basically, how this is connected basically. Here basically the building is also not created. So one person told that in this world basically, how many mountains basically are there? This is one assumption basically. So Sunil told that there are basically more than 1 lakh mountains basically. So each building creation basically, whatever building creation happens basically, that is connected with some of the mountain basically. So one person told that this is which kind of logic basically. The logic basically behind this is entire world basically, once upon a time basically it was just mountain basically. Slowly basically it cutted and converted into land. So one person told that the mountain basically are doing the balancing of world basically. If any of the mountain basically gets earthquake, that means basically it's a big problem basically in that country, that group country means Asian country, European country, Russian country. Each country basically group basically have certain level of mountains basically. So like this basically the everything is still connected with the nature basically, and that is basically getting controlled by human body basically. So next video.